Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you what services can you get on the IMEI.info website for your HONOR X8c. So to get your IMEI number, you just have to find your phone app on your device and dial this number right here in the blue bold text. And then go to the IMEI.info website and type in this number in this box right here. And down here you'll find the basic checks and the advanced ones. In the basic checks, you will find the HONOR warranty check, Blacklist simple check, eSIM compatibility check, the MAC address check, the curl lookup. You can also add your device here in case it gets stolen to the IMEI.info database. You can also check if you, for example, bought a used phone, if it was added to this website database. In advanced checks, you can perform a premium blacklist check, and that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.